Good morning, everyone. So I figured I would come on here and show you Kate's do-it-yourself planner. And so this is from @digitally_wild is her Instagram handle, but she has an Etsy shop as well as a website-based shop. But I figured you needed to see more details of this because this planner is so much more than just the first picture that I showed of this planning space, planner room, craft room, which is gorgeous. I love my space, but I would love to work in this one as well. So there are hyperlinks in almost every single element that you see here. You can customize to pictures as far as what it looks like, move things around, and I kind of showed you a little bit of that yesterday. But now I wanted to show you what each of these things looks like when you click on them. So I'm using an iPad Pro, Apple Pencil, first generation. This is the smaller iPad Pro that came out a little bit ago. And the app I'm using is called GoodNotes 5. It's the most current version that they have, but GoodNotes 4 would work as well. And that's kind of what I use, the app that I use to do all of my digital planning. So let's go into the main planner first, and I'll kind of walk you through how I'm going to use it. So the first page is a yearly planner. You can mark out important dates for the year, and then you can click on each month. And so this was March that I set up, and then the first Monday of each week is linked to that week's layout. So this is the week that I just shared, and then you can go to the different months and the different weeks if you wanted. Oops. So then if you want to ever go back to the main planner room, you just click the bottom right hand corner. So that's the main planner, weekly, monthly setup. You can even customize that more and put your own layouts if you want. And you do the whole customization process in the app called Keynote. You could do it either on your iPad or on if you have a Mac computer, but it's basically the Mac version of PowerPoint. But you have to use that program to do the customization. So then there was this little stand here that came with these two sheets and the table already set up, and I really liked that. So I actually made this into a daily planner. So I added all of this stuff, customized it in Keynote, so it's kind of permanently there, I guess, in my GoodNotes file. And each day I'm going to do my schedule and my tasks or notes or to do or whatever, and then I'll erase it basically when I'm done. And if I need to convert anything important over, I'll do it into my weekly planner. Next, up here I put meal plan, a shopping list, and just some notes so I could do my weekly meal planning. And so the original setup came with these 3 little note pages that were already up here, and I just added the wording. Next, I put one of the wrong digital stickers, which I just discovered and love. And so I basically kind of duplicated this and made this into my wrong sticker page when you click on it. So I can go and copy and paste any of these. So to do that, if you haven't seen, which I'm sure you have, but if you're at all kind of interested in digital planning, you can move these around, you can copy and paste them into other pages, and it's super easy. I love digital planning for that reason, how you can move things around so easily and change it however you want. Okay, so those were those things. Then I made, we really need to put some decorations in our house, so I made this home decorating dashboard, basically is what I'm calling it. So originally it was just this blank wall in the background, and I basically customized it to look like this. a list to get from the home store, some ideas, decor ideas, and then once we actually get the stuff, kind of what do we have to do, and put some inspiration photos as well on there. Then these journal notebooks down here are all 3 different, and again, you can change them all, but she already included this lined journal with tabs. So when you click each tab, it goes to a new section, and then you can go back. She included a dotted notebook, same thing with the tabs. And then this was a grid or graph notebook, and I actually have customized this into a sticker book. So I put a lot of my digital stickers here in one place so I have easy access to them. So these first couple pages are from my Holly Pixels digital stickers. I have a flowers section, a watercolor section. Takes a little while to load that page. Then Kate from Digitally Wild, I have a lot of her stickers in here, and I subscribe to her monthly digital newsletter where she includes a set of stickers and a whole bunch of other goodies in a monthly newsletter that she sends out. And so I've just put them all in here so I have easy access to her gorgeous stickers. I got some icon stickers. I forgot the name of who, Dash Planner, I think, is where I got these icon stickers from. Some kawaii stickers that I got. I can't remember the name either, but I can put them on here if I remember. And then just some miscellaneous stickers with some paper. Then all of these other areas are basically free space, whatever you want. I set up another table with 2 pages. This was actually the bag linked to a blank background, but I put it as like notes, like little extra notes or receipts or whatever in a bag. More just blank space to do whatever you want. You could add all you want. I added this notebook to this blank space, and I actually played around with my first try at doing the tabs, creating it in Keynote. So I made that little notebook. This is a notebook pages from Digitally Wild. Kate, she just came out with these. They're PNG files. So a PNG file, all it means is a image file that has a clear transparent background instead of a white background. So when you paste it into your file, you can see whatever original background was behind it. And that's how a lot of digital stickers, the format that they come in. It makes it look a little bit more realistic. I was just there. This box, so this layout that Kate has, she uses it for a reading log, but I also think I duplicated this in a separate area, but when you click each top part, it takes you to a page. I think I'm going to, I'm going to use this as maybe a recipe planner. So I'm going to put different recipes here, and then it'll link to my recipe instructions. I think this takes you back to the front page, yep, of your recipe or book. And then she included a bunch of different notebooks, so lined, dotted, and blank notebooks in there. Same thing down here, the reading log or recipe or whatever you want. You can make it a memory log. You could put pictures of different memories and then write out extra details when it links out. And then this is just another blank space. So this is, I actually created a new one to this drawer. I created a new link and put her, this was from Kate, a weekly goals page, so I put this in here on a little table. But there are so many things you can put into here. It's kind of crazy as far as the customization ability that you can put. And I absolutely love it, and I hope I stick with it a little bit, give my digital planning a fair shot. I'm not giving up paper planning yet, but this is very interesting to me and has a lot of potential and power for when you're traveling and on the go. And the customization aspect is pretty cool. So yeah, I'm really excited to use this and hope that I keep up with it. But you guys know I change everything, my mind, like every 5 seconds, so who knows. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. I'd be happy to answer them. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day.